Hi and welcome back to Cooking with Callie. Today we'll be making mason jar ice cream. And the things you'll need are salt, vanilla extract, sugar, and heavy whipping cream. And optional, if you want chocolate mason jar ice cream, you use chocolate syrup. So let's get on with the video. First you'll need a mason jar. Then you'll need a measuring cup, and you'll need your heavy whipping cream. You want to have 1 cup of heavy whipping cream in each mason jar. If you want to have 2 batches, if you want to try vanilla and chocolate, then do 2. Here's my other one, and let's get that. Hey, there's exactly 2 cups left. Now let's put that in. Next, you will need 1.5 tablespoons sugar. There you go. Put that in. And each. And then you use this. And then you're gonna have to have a 1 tablespoon and get one of those, and we'll put it in there. After you do that, you will need the salt. So I have a shaker. I don't have the other salt. So I'm just gonna do 3 shakes or 4 or 5. And then you'll need this for these 2. 1/2 of a teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I would prefer doing this over your sink or the mason jar. Dang it, I keep spilling. Just for precautions, I'm gonna put a towel down. Okay, so next you'll need this chocolate syrup. This chocolate one's for my brother, the vanilla one's for me. So then you're gonna put the lids on and you're gonna shake it for 5 minutes. Okay, so you're just gonna keep shaking them. This is what it's gonna look like. And you're just gonna keep shaking. And we have a timer, and we have 4 minutes and 31 seconds left. So it's been 5 minutes, and here's what they will look like. So you can put it in your freezer for 3 hours since it's so cold outside. We're gonna bury it in the snow. Come on, let's go.
So it's been 5 minutes.
And we already shook it. And this is my brother Webb. He's gonna bury his chocolate. Let's go, Webb.
So bury it and cover it up. Cover it all the way up.
Okay, so let's bury ours.
Don't step there, Cal.
We'll be back out. So see you in 3 hours or 2. Bye. Okay, instead of 2 hours, my mom didn't keep track of time. It's been 4 hours. She's putting it at 10, and now it's 2:04 or 5. So let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, let's figure this out, Webb.
Yeah.
There. My goofy. Okay, here's what they should look like. Now we're gonna go inside and open them and eat them. Okay, so let's get out of the freezer. It's been about 2 hours in there. And so let's try the ice cream. Look. I'm literally sticking my finger in there. Now let's taste it. Ooh, it looks like a slushie. Okay. Actually, looks really good. Texture is real smooth. It's not clunky. And mason jar ice cream is a different try. It might have to take a couple hours in the snow, but it's worth all the work. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye!